For many LGBTQ plus youth, having a safe space doesn't really exist. We need to let people know, like, there's people out there that see you and care about you. And that's what we do at Free to Love. We provide youth the tools to express themselves. Thanks for coming. Free to Love is an award-winning nonprofit that utilizes the arts to uplift, engage, and empower young people to be their best selves unapologetically. We started out as a social media campaign, and we've blossomed. It's bigger than I ever imagined. We're doing workshops in schools, we're doing events, creating safe spaces, and we've created Express It. It's 72 pages of interactive empowerment tools for social emotional learning. Art allows them to create and emote what it is they're going through. Young people who come to us struggling, they flip it and they become just a bright light, and they just realize that they're valuable and needed.
As a mom, she's allowed me to be my own human, and she wants to give that to other people. She becomes everyone's mom, and she's there for them. It's beautiful.
No matter what kids are feeling, I want them to know they're not alone.